recording. Finally. High stress. Italian. Du bist du jetzt? Natalia ist die Natalia. So guys, I'm so happy. So, andyan na yan. Palabas na yan. Finally, andyan yung airport. Tapos kami mag-Pretoria. So, we're going to our hotel. Nagsunod na kami yung driver. Ultra all-inclusive kasi. Diba? According to my friend. So, ganito yung airport na guys. Maganda. Actually, winter time today. Ngayon. This month. Pero, tingnan mo ang view. Ay, kainit. Init siya. Tapos doon ang bundok, nag-snow. Thank you. Sunny. May VIP na. May VIP. Say hi, guys. Tingnan nyo, naka-Volkswagen yun, oh, artistahin. Tingnan mo.
Yamanin, no?
Iyo, yamanin. Tingnan mo. Oh my God. So exclusive.
Saksakan.
Ang ganda. Pero bakit hindi pa niyo kinuha?
Automatic.
O di ba automatic yung
Automatic.
Diba?
Nee, ich habe diese Winterschuhe und das nur wegen Kappadokia. Sonst du brauchst hier keine Winterschuhe.
Sagst du etwas? Hallo? Hallo Vlog.
Get out with Josephine.
Hallo Vlog.
Hallo Leute.
Hi guys. Ano ang ating ano?
Hier ist ganz normale Alltag, ja? Das ist
Ja.
kein Feiertag. Bist du alle arbeiten?
Yeah.
Ja,
Nein, so Techniker. Nein, das ist Parking.
Parkplatz.
Schön. Schön, ja. Schön, Leute.
Change tables lang. Ich hab das schon...
Ang card mo.
Ah, sa'yo mo. Yung tag ko, diba?
This is our hotel. Natalia, kannst du... Wow, Luxus! Kannst du bitte eine Karte hier reintun hier? Nein, der hier.
Ah,
Ja, genau.
nicht
Das ist
ja.
so. Nur eine.
Eine
Dann
lassen
gehen
wir.
Oh, guys, wir haben hier... Mann. Oh, no. Moment. Oh, this is our room. My God, das ist sehr groß, Natalia, für uns. Hier.
Siehst du, und noch
Sehr Luxus. Oh, und die paintings, my God. Oh, so I will put here. I will show you guys. Show you the... Oh, how beautiful it is. Look at this one. We got city view, unfortunately, but this is worth it. Oh, how can I open this one? So here, this is our view. Of course, Antalya, Turkey. Antalya is a Muslim country, so they are having Salah now. Praying time. So this is our hotel front view. There is the city. I think condo or something restaurant. And here. Hi, nice guy, amazing. Hello, Jai. Oh my God, I cannot explain. And this is our balcony. Natalia, yeah, is Jen. So, this is our room.
Aber hier siehst du diese Kirche von
Yeah, Jen. And this is our bed. My God, for 2 person, ganito siya kaganda. Ganyan. May isang double bed, single bed. And that's me. So, ang ganda. Daming mirror on the wall. So, the CR is here. Dito banda. Wow. Wow din siya. So, yan. Oh. Separate pala siya. So, here. Just the bowl, toiletries. Yan, daming toiletries. So, ganyan siya. Ang ganda. And we have here our closet. Many closet. Oh, how beautiful. So, our closet. So, pwede kaming ano dito, change. So guys, grabe, ang ganda. So, yan ang toilet nila. Ang ganda, naglaki ng So, itong bowl na is bagong-bago. Oh my God, parang hindi ka ginamit. Kailangan natin putulin. Yes.
Das Beste.
Ja.
Was kann mit uns passieren?
Ja. Schön, sehr schön. Das ist unsere TV. Wir haben hier Schokolade. Hier. Nein, Kaffee. Das ist Kaffee. Wir haben auch Wasser hier, Natalia. Hier. Ja.
Schön, ja?
Oh, und wir haben unten unbefristetes Essen, Wasser, alles. So, hier. Our TV. So, the toilet. I'm going to show you the toilet here. So, was brauchst du?
Strom, weißt du, wo Strom
Und
ist?
dann
Wo kann
hier. The garden is there. Guys, you have tiny lighting. It's very good. It's very good. Okay. That's all. Elevator is going up. Yeah. Natalia. So,
Lady
this, yeah, lady boss. Lady boss, genau. So, let's go record, guys. So, going up. Yes. Uwi na kami sa hotel. Oh, sorry. So, going to our hotel. Yes, madam. Kannst du bitte nehmen unsere Key, Schlüssel, madam?
Mein. Hier?
Ja.
Wo?
Oh, schönes Musik. Oh, Musik ist schön. So, we're here, guys. Yee. Okay, Natalia. Wow, swimming pool. Music. Live music. Yeah, disco. Yeah. Swimming time. Dito kami sa hot swimming pool. Yeah. Ligo na sila guys. Ayan sila oh. Bye! Enjoy!
Sana mo yung cellphone.
Gagawin ko ayaw. Kaya hindi ni waterproof. Ganda guys. Ayan ang ano nila, CR. Diyan ang bathroom. Grabe ang ganda. Guys. Alam mo Doreen. Diyan ang mga So, next tag ay ni Noye. yeah. Morgen. Yeah. Wow. Yes. Schon wieder. Weißt du? Yeah, it's nice.
Da gibt's kein Auto.